Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. So we've just acquired this lovely looking Astra GTC. Lovely looking yellow colour. It's got the upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels. It's that well looked after. It's got the little protection right there and there. Privacy glass to the rear. GTCs do seem to sell really well now. They really are a good price. Very low. Lovely condition. Rear spoiler. Boot area's in lovely condition, and you've got the rear parcel shelf. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Full leather interior on this car. It's rare on an Astra. Good option to have. Just start it up. Starts up all great. It's an 107 miles. It's got cruise control, automatic headlights, multifunction steering wheel, aux and USB, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, economy mode, traction control. Really has got a lot on this car. It's been well looked after indeed. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.